Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on building the Voice of the Night car. Our car's coming along pretty well. We're almost done, as a matter of fact. We are in phase 8. We are working on the front end right here so we can attach the doors. We are on steps 736 to 744. Here's our pieces we'll need. Pretty simple. These are 7 bars. Both of them are. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos. I've got more videos coming soon. With that being said, let's build on our Bugatti.
Grundhofer worked for 20 minutes to free himself. When he realized that no one was watching, he went for help. At 10:25, Grundhofer called his office from a nearby farmhouse. The ransom was never paid. The kidnapping made headlines throughout the Midwest. 10 days later, the FBI set up a hotline and published this composite drawing. The response was immediate.
Okay, this is steps 738 to 740 that are done. Now do the other side.
I was stunned when they started questioning me about the kidnapping case that had just happened. They wanted to search, and I told them to go ahead. I had nothing to hide. And they searched my car and my garage and the house. The FBI requested that Henderson participate in a lineup, even though they had found no physical evidence connecting him to the crime. Step forward and say the line again. This is Carl. You are coming with me. You see the man who kidnapped you in the lineup? It's number 3. I no worries about the lineup because I know I didn't do it. And you know he identified me, and I know I didn't do it. Despite Grundhofer's positive identification, Jeff Rasmus, the eyewitness in the garage, did not pick Henderson out of the lineup.
And here's 741 to 743. Now let's put him on our car, shall we? Okay.
When Senior Life gives you all your money back. It's simple. When other companies say they save you a percentage of your money, Senior Life says we give it all back. That's right. With return of premium life insurance from Senior Life, we don't save you a percentage of your money, we give it all back. 100%. It works like this. If you pass away while you're insured, your loved ones get a check for the coverage amount you chose. But if you're still living at the end of the term, you get back all the money you paid, guaranteed.
Let's get these on here real quick.
Talk about saving.
There's a hole right here where it will plug into. Just like that.
To this day, the case remains unsolved. The family has been ripped apart by accusations of arson and murder.
Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone. Later.